Hello my good people, welcome back to Chep Steamer. Now today I want to show you how to install a solar with a bulb, solar lightings. I want to show how to install in a homestead like this. See, I want to show you how we installed this solar. Now see guys, this solar is an automated solar light, 200 watts. You see, you see. This is the light. The solar. We put it in this angle so that you can get that light, that's sunlight, very nice. See, and this bulb, this solar light is a waterproof. You see, it is a waterproof, so there is no water that can come here and destroy things. You see, even its junction, it's well sealed. It is well sealed. The bulb, the light is waterproof.